Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. A couple of things. First of all, prices overnight are higher. Beans up about 4 cents, corn about unchanged to a penny better, and wheat up about 6 cents. Outside markets, you've got crude oil a little bit lower, the dollar a little bit higher. There was an article that came out over the weekend showing the big jump in commodity funds and their investment in commodities. I think most of them are looking for that we've put a bottom in as far as commodity prices are concerned, and a hint of inflation could actually bring prices up, and so that's a big bump in commodity buying, and that's probably filtered a little bit into the grains. Yesterday, a lot of discussion on whether the markets were going to trade higher or lower overnight. I think most people are looking at the big crops in the world as still offering resistance to the marketplace. But there might be a couple of weather issues that are offering some support underneath the market. First of all, rains in South America could slow harvests in Brazil and could reduce crop production in Argentina. And the next 10 days looks like across the southern part of the United States could actually see less than normal rainfall. And that could bring the wheat out of dormancy and could offer some stress to the wheat crop if it needs a rain. But also it could offer some early start to the corn planting, and that could help corn yields, but we have to make sure that we get the rainfall during the year equal to normal. So that southern part of the United States could use a shot of rain right now to kind of get back to normal. This week we've got a USDA report. It's a monthly supply and demand report. Usually the March reports are not a big deal, but I think the funds will be watching to see if they lower the U.S. corn, soybean, wheat carryouts slightly due to a little bit more demand, and that they raise world-ending stocks because of bigger crops down in South America. So we'll see what the funds kind of focus on. In general, we might be in a trading range with May beans somewhere between the 1020 to 1060 area. So right now we're at 1041 overnight. For May corn, we could be in the 370, 390 fairly tight range. You know, you get back up to 390, you could see some farmers selling. And in the wheat, maybe we're in a range between 440 and 480. Again, weather providing support, potentially, but the record world supplies of wheat offering resistance on the upside. So we'll see this week how the funds want to treat their long positions. We'll see what the USDA has to say about supply and demand. And then down the road, we'll see what Mother Nature has in store for us this year globally. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.